Every month you work so hard, yet by the time bills and expenses hit, your savings barely stand a chance. And here's the thing, banks are not exactly on your side. They thrive when you don't save, quietly charging fees and offering interest rates that cannot even keep up with inflation. But what if you could turn the tables? What if you knew the exact savings hacks banks hope you never figure out? Hacks that can help you keep more money, grow your wealth faster, and finally stop feeling broke before payday comes. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful saving secrets that can completely change your financial game, and especially the last number that most people overlook. Yet it could make all the difference. Welcome to Ellen Finance, your go-to guide for smart money moves and passive income ideas to secure your financial future. If you are ready to outsmart the system and finally take charge of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing video. Now let us dive into these incredible secrets. Hack number 1, automate your savings. Let's face it, manually saving money can be tough. Life gets in the way, and before you know it, you've spent what you meant to save. The solution? Automate your savings. The moment your paycheck lands in your account, have a portion automatically transferred to your savings. It's like paying yourself first without even thinking about it. You can equally automate your savings from your weekly or monthly profit margin if you are a business person. Use platforms like PiggyVest or Cowrywise, which allow you to set automatic deductions from your salary or bank account. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings grow when it happens in the background. And globally, banks like Ali Bank or Chime offer automated savings features that round up your purchases and stash the difference. Imagine saving money without feeling the pinch. It's the smartest way to build wealth over time. Why this works? The less you see your money, the less tempted you are to spend it. Hack number 2, high-interest savings accounts. Did you know that your current savings account might actually be losing you money? Traditional banks offer low-interest rates that can't keep up with inflation. In reality, you're better off putting your money in high-interest savings accounts that help your savings grow passively. Online banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Discover, or Ally Bank often offer interest rates up to 10x higher than traditional banks. If you're outside the US, research online banking options with the best rates in your region. Banks like Kuda Bank, Minton, and investment platforms like Risavest offer interest rates that outperform traditional savings accounts. For those in Nigeria, don't let your money sit idle. Make it work for you. This works because the more your money grows, the closer you get to financial freedom without lifting a finger. Hack number 3, cut hidden bank fees. Banks make billions every year from sneaky fees, account maintenance, transfer fees, and ATM withdrawal charges you barely notice. These small charges may seem harmless, but over time, they eat into your savings. You can switch to fintech apps like PalmPay, OPay, and Kuda, which offers 0 account maintenance fees and free transfers. If you're tired of those surprise deductions, now's the time to take action. Globally, services like Revolut and N26 offer fee-free banking solutions, making it easier to manage your money without unnecessary costs. Why this works? Every money saved is money earned. Keep your money where it belongs, with you. Hack number 4, create multiple savings buckets. Ever found yourself spending your savings because there's no clear plan for it? That's why you need to create multiple savings buckets for different goals like emergencies, vacations, business investments, or even a future home. For example, set aside money for an emergency fund separately from your travel fund so you don't dip into the wrong account when unexpected expenses arise. Name your savings accounts creatively: Dream Vacation, First Car, or My Future Home, to keep you motivated to save. Why this works? Having clear, separate savings goals prevents impulsive spending and helps you stay focused on what truly matters. Hack number 5, keep your savings inaccessible. Out of sight, out of mind, this principle applies perfectly to saving money. If your savings are too easy to access, you're more likely to dip into them for impulse purchases. The trick? Make it harder to withdraw your savings by using accounts with withdrawal restrictions. Fixed deposit accounts or fintech apps with lock features, like PiggyVest SafeLock, allow you to keep money away for a set period without access. This way, you're forced to keep your hands off. This hack is like putting your savings in a financial fortress where it's safe from impulse spending. As we conclude, imagine how different your financial life could look if you start applying just one or two of these strategies today. Whether it's automating your savings, switching to high-interest accounts, or cutting out sneaky fees, every small step brings you closer to financial freedom. Now here's the challenge. Which savings hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you're serious about saving more, earning more, and securing your future with passive income ideas and side hustles, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. Let's make it happen together at Ellen Finance.